Hey, it's CreativeSarah here, and today I'm going to show you a really cool trick. I'm making a double-sided sign. So the first thing, you might remember, I did this a few days ago, and I'm going to flip it over and do the back side, and I will have a reversible sign for my bar area. So the first one says happy hour, of course. The back, we're going to do cheers, let the evening be gin. Kind of a dad joke, right? Yeah, it's fine. You'll love it. And I found this 4-texture pattern houndstooth that's going to fit right in, and I'm going to teach you how to do a fun masking technique. So hold on to your hats. Let's go. This is not going to be difficult at all. First things first, we're going to wax our wood surface. So I'm going to grab just a little bit of wax on here, and I'm going to wax all over this. We're going to leave it white. We're going to leave everything the way it is. That feels awesome. All right, now I'm going to label the back of this houndstooth. And then we need to fuzz it. Okay. We'll use our fuzzing cloth for this. Just get a little bit of fuzz on there so that it doesn't stick too hard to our wooden surface. Hey, are you new? Are you just tuning in for the first time? Go ahead and comment VIP. I'll send you a welcome message and a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. All right, now, what I have it down, which is great, but I forgot. So I'm gonna do a little masking technique, and you can do this a couple different ways. What I want is for there to be a blank square in the middle, okay? So I'm just gonna kind of place that in the middle because I know that's where I'm gonna put those words. So we can mask using this just like this. You can also peel this off and use the backer sheet. Did you know that we actually sell packets of extra backer sheets in case one of yours gets ruined, wet, or torn, or anything, or folded up and wrinkly? You can buy extra backer sheets right on my online shop. And they make perfect masks. So when I say the reason why we use backer sheets is because the transfer won't stick to it. So if we want to mask an area, you can slip a backer sheet right in underneath. So let's say you want a square. You can slip this right in underneath and put it down and use it as a mask. If you want a circle or a heart or whatever, you can cut out any shape you want and use it as a mask. I'm going to do it like this. You can also use your placement tape as a mask. So for me, what I'm going to do, get this back centered where I want it, and I'm just going to tack it down so that it doesn't move. Now, I'm going to get my black and then get some chalk paste going here. And it'll be easy peasy. And I'm just going to go right up to my mask. it might be easier for me to use a mini squeegee. I'm realizing at this point that I'm being a little bit messy here. Look how cool. Okay, now we are going to buzz this transfer to use in the center. Hey, if you're new and you have not seen our page before, go ahead and comment VIP. I'll send you a link where you can join our free DIY and crafting group. I got something on here. Of course I did when I was fuzzing it, but string. Okay. If you have not joined our club yet, OMG, you need to check it out. It is the coolest subscription box around. Go ahead and comment club, C-L-U-B, and I'll send you the info. Okay, now we're just gonna get in here, a little bit of our black chalk paste. Cover all that silk screen area, squeegee it. You're kind of scraping it, you know, around. Squeegee, squeegee. Beautiful. Smooth it. And done. And then we peel and reveal. Ah, it's so cool. Have you been curious about becoming a designer? If so, just do me a favor, type team, T-E-A-M, in the comments. I will super secretly send you some info. You don't even have to talk to me about it if you don't want to. You can just check it out. And I'll give you a link where you can join and watch, not join, but watch my opportunity video that tells you everything you need to know to make your informed decision. And of course, we would love to have you on our #1 team in the company. We're getting going on a brand new beginner mentoring program, so I would love to have you in on that. It starts right away here in August, so go ahead and type team or reach out to me. Don't be shy. I will be happy to help you. So, thanks for watching. I think this is a really cool project. project. Look how cute that turned out. Cheers. Let the evening begin. And then we're double-sided.